What should be illegal on Etsy that isn't? Let me show you. Now, coming over to Etsy, I am searching for metal wall art, and here you can see that these pieces are selling in their thousands at ridiculous prices. But that's not what should be illegal. This tool should be, ever be. It is amazing. With this tool, what it does is gives us the analytics on these particular products. So down here, you can see how many monthly sales they're making, obviously less their cost of goods sold, and their transaction and Etsy fees and all that sort of stuff. But further to that, you've got the tags that they're using, and you can see what their titles are as well. But how do you sell this stuff? First up, come to etsy.com/sell and get started and do the full onboarding process. Next, go to T-Launch and get your account created there. So this guy's doing 74 units a month, 10,500 US, and this is the design. So let's do something similar. So on Etsy, search for Mountain SVG, and down here is a killer design. Buy it. Upload your design to T-Launch, name it, set your prices, select all the images, and go create. Coming back to Etsy, it's going to be in your draft listings. Select it, get rid of that image, adjust the thumbnail. Save. Make sure you put somebody else made it. Select your metal partner. Back over on Etsy, make sure you get all those tags on your clipboard. Copy and paste. There we go, enter. And go publish. Follow me if you'd like to learn more hints, tips, and tricks. I'm on YouTube, Insta, and TikTok.